When I wasn't able to ride the horse because it hurt, that just took away everything from me. I'm Monica and I'm from Pound, Wisconsin. Being on a farm all my life, and you've got the natural wear and tear. And then I noticed that it started hurting to ride horse, and I've had horses ever since I was 9 years old. My knees around that horse on the inside would just hurt, and I couldn't stand the concussion of trotting and cantering. And anybody that has horses understands what I'm talking about. So I went to another doctor, and he said I was a prime candidate for knee replacement. And I thought, I am not having my knees taken out, because if it doesn't turn out, what do I have? I'd never ride horse again. The first meeting that I had with Integrated Pain Solutions, he explained the sessions that I'd have to go through, and he said, yes, you're gonna be sore at first, but he says, give it time and it's gonna turn around. I had my complete trust in the doctors. It was just, he just made you feel at home, you're part of the family. Laser therapy is the real McCoy. It's unbelievable what that therapy can do. With that laser, gets deep down into the tissues, and as each session goes along, you can just see the improvement being made. It took a while, a couple months I had to go, and with all the adjustments with the deep laser and the hydro, it was getting better, because Doc would tell me, go try, see how it is. And at first, it was hurting. And like now, I can swing a leg over and ride the horse, and it's pain-free. The first question is, what does it cost? And I look at it that you can have all the money in the world in the bank, but money cannot buy your health. So this was the best investment that I put into my health. I can't say enough how he has helped me to ride my horse again.